everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Today, I'm excited to share with you a very healthy and delicious energy drink that can keep you boosted throughout the day. So this is definitely a healthy alternative to wean away from the sodas, the coffees, the teas, and the juices that are filled with all the high fructose corn syrup and additives, preservatives, and extra sugars that you find in your local grocery store. And I'm very excited to share this recipe with you because I have been using this for a couple of weeks now, and it not only feels good, it tastes good. The ingredients for this organic, delicious energy drink are dried butterfly pea flour, or you can use a tea blend that is organic with the dried butterfly pea flour. And this is optional, but you can add a dried red lotus bloom to add not only extra flavor, but extra healthy supportive benefits. Butterfly pea flour is a wonderful floral herb to use for sustained energy and mental clarity. It supports your focus. It helps you to stay calm. It uplifts your mood without the crash of most sugars. And it's also used to support your memory and cognitive function. It's rich in antioxidants, so it's good for your skin and cellular health. The lotus flower has always been regarded as a sacred flower. The red lotus helps opens the heart, enhances passion, and promotes emotional balance and inner peace. So it's all about self-love. You can either drink this hot, or if you prefer it cold, transfer it to a mason jar and keep it in the fridge until you're ready for that cooling, refreshing energy drink. And it's important to strain out the dried herbs and botanicals before you drink it, or you can just get a straw that has a strainer at the end, which is very helpful. Enjoy.